We're about to pressure wash the engine bay. I covered the alternator with plastic, and I covered the battery with plastic. Right now, I'm gonna shoot water at it, and then I'm gonna turn the power on, and we're gonna pressure wash it. Okay, now shoot a little soap on it.
You see something, Joseph? See something real quick? Look here, more of a mist.
Let me put some water in here.
He adds water to my bottle after he drinks it out.
Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna turn the power on.
Hold it.
The green light is on.
Don't need one.
We're done with that, right?
Okay.
Pull plastic over outside and start your car.
You want to start it now?
Yeah, pull plastic outside out and start it so we know it can burn off the I don't know water we need, you know what I mean? So still start.
I'm gonna let it dry.
So you start up and it will heat up. I'll make sure if you restart real quick and let it dry, I'll make sure it still starts. That's all I'm worried about. I want to make sure you start.
And then turn it off?
Yeah. So you start up, make sure it runs, and the pressure on it, we let it dry.
Will it turn on?
Yep, come on, boys. Will the SI turn on? Alright, do it. You're good. Now let it dry.
Alright, now we air dry.
Yep. Minnie, go to the front right there where the hose is, turn the hose off. Everybody, real
Alright.
quick, start your carpet just to make sure if you blow it. Just I want to make sure nothing got in the connection. I always check, make sure your car can still run.
And
I'm
then
gonna-
turn it off.
Yeah.
And fill your bucket with water.
You get that thing, yeah. I want to make sure it starts up every time. I don't want like water getting your cold packs, you know, later on. I mean,
And then we're gonna let it dry.
So
and
your
we'll show
bucket-
you the results.
if you need a hot tub, see, it shows that. Fire, you just go to
You're like, good, I don't want to have a kid. That's perfect.
Hey, we got people on.
It's major. It's major.
Come on, man.
We just got done cleaning the car. If you want to check out the engine, we just put some armor all over it. The engine is a K20A3. It has 160 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 7 seconds, and a top speed of 132 miles per hour. It has a 5-speed transmission. It's a hatchback, 2-door.
Suspension and tires.
The suspension is on lowered springs. We dropped the height 1 inch all the way around. We have a disc brake slotted drilled, and we're gonna get a paint job on it. We might do silver. Trying to get some rims, maybe NK, maybe Oz, maybe BBS's. Definitely go lower profile tire. I want a bigger rim. Right now these are 16 inches. Probably go 17 all the way around. My windows are tinted. I did my tint on it.
You have a factory exhaust right now.
Right now that we have a factory exhaust right here.
What is the suspension on this? What brand is that?
These are Tien, T-E-I-N, Tien. We just got it done clean. Now we got the engine bay. We didn't go too much. We just shot it with some water, a little bit of degreaser, and put some armor all on some of the plastic. I have a built-in inverter in here. I have a TV mounted on my dash. I could watch YouTube anywhere I go. All I gotta do is put the hotspot on and my TV will play YouTube.
This is also a PlayStation gaming system as well.
If you want to put a PS5 or Xbox in here, you can. I have an outlet to run 150 watts of power. This battery will give me roughly an hour. I soon to plan on installing solar on the roof. I want to do a roof rack right here. The roof rack, and I want solar panels on top. I want to get 2 batteries so we can run TV all night, and during the day it'll be charging. We'll have 2 batteries in the back, 1 battery in the front, and then another battery to power my subwoofers. I plan on getting at least 112, maybe a 115. I'm not going too crazy. I want to do the interior. I want to get a new steering wheel or either get it repaired. I want to get new seats. I want to get new carpet.
That's a mobile, I think. All the girls, like, I talk
We're gonna get the rims. We're gonna get the paint job. We're gonna get the roof rack with the solar panels. We're gonna get 2 batteries. We're gonna get 4 batteries. 1 for the engine, 1 for the subwoofer, and 2 for the entertainment. We're gonna keep the ride height. And I like my wood right here. It feels like I'm in nature.
like I said, give me a fucking condom, damn.
And stick with me. Follow, like, and subscribe. We have more projects for this car. We have another car. We have my friend's car. And yeah, if you like this car content, give me a subscribe, like,